So surface ectoderm, dermatome, myotome. Tignan niyo yung myotome, dark color siya. Then, the skeleton is this area. Ito skeleton na, which is become the skeleton. It's a skeleton. And then, nasa yung notochord. Ito yung notochord. That's the notochord. Harap kayo sa kabilang. This is an notochord there. Again, neural tube, surface ectoderm, myotome, skeleton. This is developing kidney. It's a notochord, not that. Notochord. This is a vessel. So that is a notochord neural tube, surface ectoderm, dermatome, myotome, skeleton. So those are the things that you need to look at for your stuff. I'll be going around. If you have any questions, just raise your hand para makita. Anong topic mo kanina? Development of the skin? Oh, skin na naman yun eh. Surface ectoderm na naman. Ayun na naman yun eh. Magiging skin siya. So that's the main thing. Histology of the skin. Nakap siya ng histology nyo? Kailangan ko na yung skin na pelvis? Napakita sa isa? Okay. So last. Pagyan ako na ito. Okay, ito. So this one is your epithelium, lining epithelium. Then you have the papillary layer of the dermis, reticular layer. Ito yung skin na pelvis sa sinasabi mo. You have the hair follicle there. And then try to look, this one is your sebaceous gland. So how does the sebaceous gland look under loop power? Hair follicle, kita-kita naman. There. This is sebaceous gland. Okay, this one is sebaceous gland. Look, the cytoplasm is clear. So, under high power, sorry na, high power So, under high power electric, that is your sebaceous gland. It looks like an adipocyte, but the nucleus is at the center. That's a central locating nucleus. Unlike your adipocyte, which is peripheral, elevation nucleus. So that is a sebaceous gland. It should produce the sebum, or the moisturizer, natural moisturizer. Now, these are your hair follicles, and you have this muscle here. Ano muscle to? Which makes the hair follicle hair stand. Ano ang electrolyte?